Hello mga kapwa ko, taxpayers! Welcome back to my channel, Tax Tutorials for MSME. Ang aking ituturo sa inyo ngayon ay kung paano mag-register ng Books of Accounts through BIR Online Registration and Update System or Orus. Nung nakaraan, naituro ko na kung paano mag-register ng main. Sa ngayon naman, ituturo ko kung paano mag-register ng branch. Dapat po mayroon na kayong Orus account. Kung wala pa, i-click lang itong new registration, register as individual, then create an account. I-follow lang ang instructions. Kapag mayroon na po kayong Orus account, ready na kayong mag-register ng Books of Accounts sa Orus. I-click lang itong login, enter your email address and password. Then click I'm not a robot and click login. For registration of Books of Accounts, click Secondary Registration. Click Books of Accounts. Click Register Books of Accounts. Dito sa Register Books of Accounts for TIN, branch code. Sa branch code, ang last digit na 0 ay palitan ng 1 kung ang i-register ay first branch. So, assuming na first branch pa lang ito ng ating taxpayer, ang aking i-register. Then, click validate. Business details. So, lumabas na ang details ng branch. I-click itong add. Dito tayo mag-add ng row para sa ating Books of Accounts. Manual Books of Accounts ang gamit natin. Kung familiar kayo sa laging nakapost sa aking FB page, yung columnar ginagamit sa cash receipts and cash disbursements. So, click manual, search the type of book, cash receipts journal. Quantity is 1. Last volume, wala pa tayong last volume dahil first registration ito. So, just enter 0. Ito yung ating volume number 1. Validity period. Ang ating validity period indicate the start date of when the book being registered will be valid. So, ang validity period natin, yung registration sa Bureau of Internal Revenue. Sa aking taxpayer, siya ay nag-register noong September 17, 2024. Date of registration, kung kailan ka nag-register. Automatic siya. Taxable year, ang ating taxable year ay January 1, 2024. Hanggat hindi pa napupuno ang lahat ng pages ng Books of Accounts, pwede pa siyang gamitin. Mag-register na lang ulit ng panibagong set of books kapag malapit nang maubos ang lahat ng pages ng existing Books of Accounts. So, pwede itong taxable year 2 ay blank na lang. Click Add Books. Then, click another row. Click Manual. Cash Disbursement Journal. Nung nakaraan merong tatanong, Di daw niya mahanap yung cash disbursement journal. Quantity 1, last volume 0, validity period September 17, 2024. Calendar year, ang ating taxable year ay January 1, 2024 to December 31, 2024. Pero ang ating policy nga na mag-register lang ng another set of books of accounts kapag malapit nang mapuno ang lahat ng pages ng existing books. Kaya itong taxable year 2, pwede siyang i-blank lang. Click add books. Okay. Kung meron pa kayong other books of accounts, mag-add lang kayo ng row. Okay. Click continue. Click continue. Sa attachments, wala pong attachments ang manual books of accounts. Ang nandito na sinasabing kailangan ng attachments para sa mga loose leaf books of accounts at sa computerized books. Okay? Kung gusto nyong makita kung paano naman ang pag-register sa loose leaf books of accounts and computerized books, meron po akong ibang tutorial video. Click review. Okay, cash receipts journal, cash disbursement journal, quantity 1, volume 1 to 1, date registered November 11, 2024. So, i-check lang itong mga declarations. I declare under the penalties of perjury that this application and all its attachments have been made in good faith, verified by me, and to the best of my knowledge and belief is true and correct, pursuant to provisions of the National Internal Revenue Code as amended and the regulations issued under the authority thereof. Further, I consent to the processing of my information as contemplated under the Data Privacy Act of 2012, RA number 10173, for legitimate and lawful purposes. I understand that the Bureau of Internal Revenue, or BIR, has the right to process the information submitted in this application. Any indication of misrepresentation, fraud, or other illegal activities can be grounds to subject the applicant to further investigation by the BIR and will be punished according to the penalties prescribed by the National Internal Revenue Code, or NIRC as amended, and other applicable laws. And other applicable laws. I declare that the taxpayer on whose behalf the application is made has no other existing tax identification number or TIN, and understand that possession of more than one TIN is criminally punishable and may be subject to penalties pursuant to the provisions of the National Internal Revenue Code of 1997 as amended and other applicable laws. Yan. So, binasa ko para tayong lahat ay magbasa din. Ibig sabihin, pag nag-check tayo dito, nag-agree tayo lahat dito, nagsasign tayo. Okay? So, click submit application. Okay, registration successful. Your registration of books of accounts is completed with application reference number on November 11, 2024. Then your taxpayer details. Pagkatapos mag-register, pumunta sa profile at i-download itong stamps. Okay. At dikit sa cover page. This cover page has been generated for the purpose of bookkeeping requirements as amended. This cover page must be displayed stick in front of each registered book of account. Penalty for failure to display cover page shall be imposed per existing revenue regulations and issuances. Okay. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please like and share my videos para marami pa tayong matutulungan ng mga micro taxpayers. Bye!